You're losing masculine energy every single day, and you don't even realize it. Today, you'll learn the hidden habits silently killing your testosterone and how to rebuild it naturally. 1. Sedentary lifestyle. Comfort is your biggest enemy. Most men sit all day, scrolling, gaming, avoiding movement. But when you stop using your strength, your body stops producing the hormones that create it. Testosterone is triggered by action, movement, challenge, and effort. When you live passively, your body assumes you don't need power anymore. Start moving again. Walk, lift, train. Remind your body you still need strength. 2. Dopamine addiction and overstimulation. Most men are addicted to dopamine, not from drugs, but from screens and porn. Each hit gives fake reward signals that kill motivation and focus. When you overstimulate dopamine, your brain stops chasing real goals like success or purpose. Excessive masturbation keeps your body in a low energy state, like it already won. Self-control rebuilds energy. Discipline is the real source of masculine power. 3. Heat and temperature. Your testicles are outside your body for a reason. They need to stay cooler to produce testosterone. Tight pants, hot showers, or laptops on your lap all raise temperature and reduce hormone production. Simple fix: wear looser clothes, avoid long hot baths, and keep electronics off your lap. Small changes, big difference in vitality. 4. Plastic and chemicals, BPA. Plastics often contain BPA, a chemical that mimics estrogen and lowers testosterone. It messes with your hormones, mood, and muscle growth. Fix it easily. Store food and water in glass or stainless steel, not plastic. 5. Junk food and poor diet. Sugar, seed oils, and processed food destroy your testosterone. They spike insulin, cause inflammation, and turn fat into estrogen. Your energy, mood, and confidence all drop. If you want to raise testosterone, it starts with your plate. Now, how to rebuild masculine energy. 1. Diet. The testosterone triangle. Focus on 3 nutrients: zinc, magnesium, and vitamin D. Zinc from eggs, red meat, and pumpkin seeds. Magnesium from nuts and dark chocolate. And vitamin D from sunlight. Just 15 to 20 minutes daily can boost your levels. These 3 are your foundation for strong testosterone. 2. Workout and exercise. Exercise signals your body to produce testosterone. Weight training builds muscle, but explosive movements like sprints take it higher. Try this. Sprint for 30 seconds, rest for 2 minutes, repeat 3 times. Combine with strength training. Your hormones will respond fast. 3. Water quality and microplastics. Most tap water contains chemicals and microplastics that mess with your hormones. Use filtered or mineral water, and always in glass or metal bottles. Clean water equals clean hormones. 4. Stress and cortisol. High stress kills testosterone. When cortisol rises, your body stops producing testosterone. Combat it through workouts, meditation, and daily walks. A calm mind protects your masculine energy. 5. Purpose and mission. A man without purpose loses his drive and testosterone. Your body responds to direction, to having a mission. Pick a goal or skill that challenges you and commit for 6 months. As you grow in discipline and purpose, your hormones and confidence follow. That's how you stop losing masculine energy and rebuild it fast. Now, your challenge. Pick one habit. Move more, control dopamine, eat clean, manage stress, or chase your purpose, and commit to it for 7 days. Feel the change. If you found this helpful, like the video and hit subscribe. Let's rebuild real masculinity together.